How to buy Bitcoin with Trust Wallet. So first is install the Trust Wallet, which is available for iOS, Android, and desktop users. And then select the buy button, simply choose Bitcoin and enter the amount you want to buy. And then simply just complete your transaction. So it's that simple. That's how you buy Bitcoin with your Trust Wallet. You don't need any hassles. Just simply download it, immediately connect your account, or maybe sign in or sign up to your account, and simply just buy it by adding funds to your account. And if you want, it's really, really secure. It's legit. So millions of people around the world use Trust Wallet to securely store their cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. So it's an easy to use, self-custody crypto wallet that has been independently audited for maximum security and reliability. But if you want a more detailed breakdown, here's how you can do it. So first open your Trust Wallet, navigate to the buy screen, select Bitcoin, and then choose your preferred currency, if the person and the price you want to pay for, and then enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. And then select the payment method, which is your Trust Wallet, whether it's your card, your Visa, or MasterCards, and then follow the prompts. And lastly, confirm and complete the purchase. And it's that simple. That is how you buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet.